cannibals. Cormorants feed their young as frequently as possible until they reach adult weight, and then abandon them. This creates mobs of starving juveniles. They mug the adults for their catch. When parents are unable to get back to the nest with food, their partners face a dilemma. Their hunger drives them to become cannibals. Without food, chicks get weaker and weaker. Parents have no choice but to leave. All alone, but calling for its parents may be a very bad idea. Saved just in the nick of time, and food finally arrives. As the chicks grow, they will eventually be abandoned by their parents. So they too may have no choice but to become cannibals.